GMAT Focus Edition QUANTS. Lesson Advanced Factorization. Let us learn today's module by directly jumping into a problem so as to understand the method and its applications better. Problem: perform prime factorization of 2491. You can pause the video and try this problem out, and then I'll get to it. So here we have a number 2491 and we have to prime factorize it. We can see that this isn't an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. Neither does the sum of the digit add up to a multiple of 3, and nor is it a multiple of 5, and so on. But here one interesting thing we can note down is, let us approach the solution in a different method by breaking the number into a form of a square minus b square. How this can be done, let's see. So 2491 can be written in a form 2500 minus 9, which can then be converted into 50 square minus 3 square. And by applying a square minus b square, that comes out to be a plus b and a minus b, we can convert it into 50 plus 3 and 50 minus 3, which will then be written as 53 into 47. Now, one important thing to note down here is that both 53 and 47 are individually prime numbers, and in neither case can we ever get to a situation that we reach towards a prime number that is near 47 or 53 while prime factorizing it. So this number 2491 is very difficult to prime factorize, but through this method we can easily prime factorize it. Now here's a practice problem. You can pause the video and try it out, then I'll get to it. So practice problem is, express the number 0.9991 as a product of two simpler numbers. We can approach the number in the same method. We can write 0.9991 in a form of 1 minus 0.0009. If you can notice, 1 is a square of 1 and 0.0009 is a square of 0.03. So we can write this in a form 1 square minus 0.03 square. And by applying a square minus b square, we can write 1 plus 0.03 into 1 minus 0.03, which can then be converted into 1.03 into 0.97, which makes our question very much simpler. Now let's come to another usage of this trick. Here is a practice problem. Try to solve it and then I'll get to it. Practice problem solution. So here we have to simplify 0.9984 divided by 0.96. What we can do is, we can write this number 0.9984 in this form, that is 1 minus 0.0016, and we can write 0.96 in the form 1 minus 0.04, and then 1 minus 0.016 can be written in the form 1 square minus 0.04 whole square in this form. And with the property of a square minus b square, we can convert this into this, that is 1 plus 0.04 and 1 minus 0.04. Here 1 minus 0.04 will cancel from the denominator and we will be left with 1 plus 0.04, which will then convert it into 1.04, and that is our answer. Try and practice this trick out more often. Soon you will see your calculations are getting faster. Keep practicing. Thank you.